Welcome to your practice, yogi. In this guided koshas meditation, we'll be focusing on the different layers of your being and taking a journey from the outermost layers that are more tangible into the more subtle layers to really increase your self-awareness. This will help you to find more harmony and balance in your life, as well as just helping you to slow down and be present. So find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and let's get started. Bring your hands into Gyan Mudra with the tips of the thumbs and pointer fingers touching, backs of the hands placed on the knees or wherever it feels good for you. Relax your shoulders away from your ears, chin parallel to the ground. Close your eyes if that feels safe and comfortable. This mudra promotes concentration, wisdom, and a sense of inner calm. Take a few deep breaths here, allowing yourself to settle in to a state of relaxation. Good. Begin by bringing your awareness to your physical body. This is the Annamaya kosha. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you. Notice any sensations or tension present in different parts of your body. Take a few moments to scan from head to toe, observing any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each breath, allow your body to relax and release any tension it may be holding. Now shift your attention to the pranamaya kosha, the energetic body. Feel the flow of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each inhalation and exhalation. As you breathe in, imagine fresh energy entering your body, revitalizing and nourishing every cell. With every exhale, imagine your body releasing any tightness, any stagnant or negative energy leaving along with it. Creating space for new, vibrant, healing energy. Next, bring your awareness to the Manomaya kosha, the layer of thoughts and emotions. Observe any thoughts that arise without judgment or attachment. Notice the quality of your thoughts, whether you feel they're positive or negative or neutral, and remembering that all thoughts are neutral until you put a label on them. Remembering that you are not your thoughts and you can allow the thoughts to come and go, and they do not need to define you. As you allow the thoughts to come and go, imagine that they're like clouds passing by in the sky, not attaching to anyone in particular. Gently redirect your attention back to your breath, grounding yourself in the present moment. Now, turn your focus to the Vijnanamaya kosha, the layer of wisdom and intuition. Bring to mind any insights or wisdom that may be waiting to reveal themselves to you. Trust your intuition and inner guidance as you navigate through this layer. Listen to the subtle whispers of your inner voice and embrace the wisdom that arises from within. Finally, shift your attention to the Ananda Maya Kosha, the blissful layer of pure consciousness. Allow yourself to connect with the deep sense of peace and contentment that resides within you. Feel the expansiveness of your being as you tap into your true essence. Bask in the radiance of this inner joy and let it permeate every cell of your body and every aspect of your being. As you conclude this mindfulness meditation, take a few moments to express gratitude for the journey you have taken through these layers of your being and how it supported you in creating a deeper sense of self-awareness. Circle your hands together in front of your heart into Anjali Mudra. Let your lips form a slight smile as you feel that gratitude. Awesome job, Yogi. Did you know that this video is actually part of a larger series of videos that go with my online course designed to support you in slowing down, being more mindful and present, and enjoying life more through the use of daily practices and yoga philosophy? All you need to do to check out this course is to click the link below in the description, and I'll see you on the inside. Have an amazing day. Namaste.